It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 24th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Rather tranquil weather for the upcoming week. Temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages and dry conditions will continue. Maybe a change in the pattern as we get toward next week, which we'll talk about here as we dive in and discuss. First, we'll check out the almanac from yesterday. 71 degrees the afternoon high, 47 was the morning low. The normal high, 68, the normal low, 47. And as we take a look outside right now at 10:35 a.m., sunny sky in the valley, 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 37, relative humidity 51%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look this morning shows a ridge out here across the western states, and that will be the dominant feature for the week ahead. A dry north to northwesterly flow here, the system that brought the unsettled weather over the weekend, that's now moving toward the Gulf Coast. The watch warning map shows some air stagnation advisories, dense fog advisories as well, once again over the Pacific Northwest. That's been a theme for the last couple of weeks. And we do have some freeze warnings in parts of Florida and Georgia. Very cold temperatures all the way down to the Gulf Coast. The convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. And looking at precipitation valid through next Monday morning, no rain in the valley and nothing statewide as the weather will remain quiet, but there could be a change in the pattern way out toward the end of the forecast period. We'll talk about that and everything else right now as we dive into the models, and here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run. This is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Check out that big ridge up there over the Northeast Pacific extending up into Western Canada. And that's why we have those air stagnation issues in the Pacific Northwest. And that is building in here across the Southwest as well. That dry northwesterly flow continues and a trough in the eastern part of the country. So what it means for us down at the surface today, sunny sky and seasonal temperatures, highs in the mid to upper 60s. Tonight we are clear and seasonably cool with lows mostly in the 40s. I guess the coldest valley locations could get to the upper 30s. And tomorrow, more the same. Sunny sky, highs in the mid to upper 60s. Wednesday, upper 60s likely with sunny sky. On Thursday, the ridge continues here. High temperatures might creep into the lower 70s. And same thing on Friday, low 70s for the high. The sky sunny, the air dry. As we go to the weekend, we see another little short wave moving down the east flank of this ridge, closing off into an upper low as it gets near the Southern California coast. A very compact system. And we could see an increase in clouds with this feature, but the majority of our ensemble guidance keeps us dry, so we're not going to put rain into the forecast, just partly sunny sky for Saturday, and high temperatures still right around 70, maybe the low 70s. On Sunday, that system progressively moves off to the east, and so high temperatures will remain around 70 or so. As we go to next week, evidence of a pattern change emerging. We've got our ridge over the Northeast Pacific that begins to retrograde back toward the Aleutian Islands and up to the Bering Sea and western Alaska. As that happens, that opens the door for deeper troughing to develop over the Pacific Northwest and move down the west coast. A southwesterly flow here, clouds on the increase, temperatures could start to head down if that's right. Then this is Tuesday, the 1st of February. Now a negative tilt trough begins to affect the greater Southwest. And so that could increase the potential of rain and mountain snow around here. We'll watch for that. And some recent model trends suggest this could happen. And then going out 10 days, this is Wednesday, the 2nd of February, troughing still out here across the west and westerly flow here. And so more unsettled conditions, rain and mountain snow would be possible if this verifies. But again, just a reminder, this is way out there toward next week. A lot is likely to change between now and then. And as we take a look at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 7th of February, coming off of the European ensemble. And the mean is around 1/3 of an inch, the control member up around 1/2 an inch. So we will watch for those trends as we get out toward the 1st of the month, see if the pattern does change to one that favors more wet conditions around here. And temperatures off the national blend of models, pretty much what you would expect here in late January, early February. Highs upper 60s, low 70s, overnight lows mostly in the 40s. The cooler pockets could get down into the 30s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. And as always, I invite you to check out my streaming station. It is called KMGX. We play a lot of music, have a lot of fun over there. It's myself and the one and only Michelle involved in the programming of that operation. You can hear us on there as well. I'll leave a link to that in the description as always, and the instructions on how you can listen as well on your smart speaker. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a phenomenal Monday.